My name's Jack Thomas, I'm a performance engineer. I work on Antonio Felix da Costa's car. Since I was a small kid, it's what I always dreamed of doing. It's taken a long time to get here, asking people if I can do any weekend work, getting work experience. So I had my, let's say, normal job working in car companies. For weekend work, I'd do Saturdays, Sundays working for a British touring car team as a data engineer. Some of it was working for free, so I did 3 or 4 seasons working with them in this sort of way, but it was a great way to get experience. So this season I'm a performance engineer, so this means working closely with the driver to literally do that, extract performance from any way possible, be it feedback from his driving or working on the systems on the car. So it's the main link really between the data and the driver, and then feeding that back to the race engineer to make changes to the car. It's not just data analysis, it's a personal aspect of working with a human being in a car. There's a psychological aspect to it as well, which is quite interesting. I'm very lucky to be put on Antonio's car, so I can learn from him as well. He has a lot of understanding, a lot of experience of not just motorsport, but Formula E as well. Having that trust with him is very important. Yeah. He has to be able to believe in the feedback I'm giving him. I have to be quite concise and clear. There's so much information being thrown at the driver. Having a few clear instructions is probably the main thing. For me, Formula E is pushing technology. It's relevant to the road car industry. Previously, by working in engines, diesel engines, gasoline engines, I saw that the technology is moving. So it was a great opportunity for me as an engineer to do something new, and combining this with motorsport is exciting. I've seen the way that things happen so quickly, and that excites me. Working in an industry that promotes sustainability is also something that I want to continue working in.